Are you ready to look at what you get when you buy Furls Crochet Hooks? These things are pricey, but boy, are they beautiful. Let's open up the box. We are looking at the Silver Streamline, the Sagittarius, the Ebony, and the Nautilus. Really well packaged. 1, 2, 3, 4 cleaning cloth. That's almost like an eyeglass case cleaning cloth. The material is thicker though and more satiny, pretty large as well. This is what you're supposed to use to keep your crochet hook clean. They do recommend that you wash your hands before you use your crochet hook to prevent any of your natural oils or lotion that you might have on your fingers from messing with the crochet hooks themselves. All right, let's take a look at our very first one here. The box is not marked, so I'm not sure what it is. And see which one we got. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Here you can see it. And I'll give you a better close-up here. This is a 6.5 millimeter or size K. It's a beautiful purple color with some sparkles in there that you can really see shine through. It says that this one is the Sagittarius 6.5 millimeter hook. Beautiful color, purple. It's very smooth to the touch, and it has a inline hook, as you can tell. And it's even got these beautiful sparkles at the bottom here. Really beautiful piece of art. Let's move on to the next piece. I'm excited to open these up. Here's our next one. Oh, wow, this is the Nautilus. I recognize that one right away. Beautiful. It has a white handle on the bottom and this clear, beautiful with almost like silver flecks in the middle. And it has a blue tip. This one is a 8.0 millimeter. Beautiful hook, really. Feels really good on the hands. It's, again, very smooth. There's a little bit of bump feeling, a tiny bit, where it has the imprint of the size M and 8 millimeter. It says Furls on it as well. Here we are going on to the next one. And oh, I'm glad it's this one. This is the size 3.75 millimeter hook. This one is called the Ebony Streamline Wood crochet hook. This one is made purely of wood. It's a beautiful deep color, as you can see, and very smooth as well as the other one. It is 3.75. It's got a great look to it and very smooth and good to the touch. I really like the feel of this one. This is one of the more, I guess you could call it sustainable crochet hooks that you can get out there in the market. It's a beautiful feel to it. I really like this one. I am so excited that the last one to open is going to be the metal one. This one is called the Silver Streamline Metal. I'm very excited about this one. Oh, wow, it's so good. This is my 5 millimeter crochet hook. This is the most used crochet hook that I have. And boy, oh boy, is it cool. I love it so much. It is metal. It's got a good weight to the end of it. So it's much heavier than the last three that we just looked at, especially the wood one. I would say the wood one is probably the lightest one you could get, which is good because that's my 3.75 millimeters. So it's my smallest hook. This one is my 5, and oh my God, it's gorgeous. I love it so much. It's everything I thought it would be. I can't wait to crochet with this one. It's like solid silver chrome, and it has that nice weight to it. Oh, I can't wait to use this one. It's so pretty. It's going to show my fingerprints a lot, I can already tell, but I don't care. It's really smooth and slick feeling. Oh, I love it. It's an inline hook, as furls are. You can see there. Wow, this is totally gorgeous. I love it. Everyone, here is the roll up. First, you have your 8 millimeter Furls Crochet Hook, which is the Nautilus. Gorgeous. I love how it's clear in the middle and has these sparkles at the inside of it right there. Then next line up is a 6.5 millimeter hook, and this is beautiful purple. It's also got sparkles, as you can see inside of it. It says it's a K. 6.5. The next one, my favorite, is the Metal Streamline H 5.0. This is the Silver Streamline crochet hook that is fairly new with furls. I know I'm going to have a fun time with that one. Very fun time. And then we have the Ebony wooden crochet hook, 3.75, nice and lightweight. This one you'll be able to crochet with for days with a 3.75. So this is going to be great for my sport weight yarn. They are all gorgeous. They are all beautiful. I'm really going to enjoy using these. If you're looking for these, I will have links in the description box below where you can find these exact type of crochet hooks. Check them out. because these are going to be so much fun to use. I will do a video of using these crochet hooks and give you the pros and cons with each one as I get to know them and get more comfortable with using these beautiful crochet hooks. Because I just cannot resist not showing you at least a demonstration of one of my hooks, I am going to do that today. We are going to use my favorite one, the 5mm silver streamline, and I'm just using impeccable yarn, worsted weight number 4, just your normal 4 weight yarn. This one is so smooth to use, really easy to use. You can see it just glides with this acrylic yarn. It's not cotton or anything, just your normal acrylic yarn, and it's going really easily. If you're not used to the inline hooks, that's a little bit different versus a tapered hook. It's also up to your preference. But if you do like these inline hooks, then Furls is the way to go. Wow, this hook is awesome. I really like it. I think it's totally worth it and would highly recommend this particular silver streamline metal crochet hook from Furls. It is awesome. It's really easy to use. It is ergonomic. It feels good in the hand to use and crochet with. It's got the nice thick base that's pretty standard for your Furls design, which just fits totally comfortably in your hand right here. I know some people complain about blisters with some of their crochet hooks, but those ergonomic handles that are more, not plastic or rubber, but that kind of material. And this one, I think, would not give you any blisters because it would just kind of glide smoothly over your fingers. I definitely recommend that you clean it with the cloth afterwards, because I can already tell that my fingerprints are getting all over this, and that's okay. As you're crocheting, that's fine. But when you put it away for the day, just give it a good rub down with the cloth that they provide you, and that shouldn't be a problem. It's pretty much like a sunglass cloth, but bigger and specially designed for Furls users. So just use this. This is the limited edition Nautilus crochet hook. Again, I have the 8mm size, so it is perfect for if you had to, for example, use a bulky yarn, or sometimes you need to use 2 strands held together. The 8mm is a good way to crochet with 2 strands held together. I like to use an 8mm when I do basket, and I usually have 2 or 3 strands even held together. This is really smooth so far. It's just gliding on there really easily, and this is like the homespun yarn, so it's not even super smooth. It's a little bit bumpier if you're familiar with homespun yarn, and it's really just gliding on there, and it was easy to catch it with the crochet hook portion. I really like the feel of it on my hand. This ergonomic spot right here is really comfortable to hold, and it's so beautiful to look at with those little copper flecks in the middle there, which they said that this is a experimental hook because they basically heated up the resin here, put in the copper flakes inside the clear resin, and then let the heat change the color of these copper flakes. So you'll find these are different colors in every one you get because the heat affects it differently every time. Limited edition Nautilus. And they also have a really cool tray, a matching tray to these colors. I'll link that below. They also come with these cool stands that you can get and just place your hook on the stand. So that way you can also admire it from a distance and wish that you could crochet when you're doing different type of work around the house, or maybe cleaning dishes, and then you can look around and say, oh, I wish I was crocheting. Check out the description box below so you can find all these hooks and look them up yourself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already.